here we go. So I took a old twin size bed frame and I cut off the 4 legs, leaving only the 1 leg in the middle, which happens to fit pretty good with the height I have. And then I'm going to create a hinge over here to make it a Murphy bed. Okay, just a quick walk through here. So I got just a regular door hinge mounted here and mounted to that. And I got a nut and bolt there to hold the thing from folding. 3 door hinges. And I left the center leg. The center leg, I think I might put a hinge on it so you know, it could fold in this way when not in use. But as you can see, this folds out and it hits the floor. And yeah, instant Murphy bed. Not too bad, huh? So you just pick it up, and then the hinges, a lot to go this far if there's no mattress in there, but that's a 2x12 there, and I got a 10-inch memory foam mattress, so that'll fit that, leaving you know, a little bit of space for like pillows and cushions and stuff like that in there. But you know, when there's no mattress there, it can just rest up there. Maybe I'll have yeah, I'll put a mechanism of some sort to hold it in the upright position. So when you're using, you know, the bench seats, you know, you've got the mattress up and out of the way. Very handy, very space saving. All right, I cut some 1/4-inch plywood and ran it 13 inches, the same depth as my wheel well, which gives me room for my, you know, ace to fit in between the 2 wheel wells. And this will be the new kitchen / galley. All right, plugging along nicely. I got my kitchen area started, and I got a piece of nice butcher block that I cut down to fit. Real thick stuff. It's like 2-inch thick or 2.5 inches thick. I don't know. It does have a little gap behind it. That was intentional, so I can run my cords up and stuff. It'll have a backsplash. I'm gonna do here, maybe a window. I don't know yet, but looking good. Got everything caulked in and tight. That was just to kind of hold the, you know, the top a little bit better. Got all the sides sealed. Got the bed in. I got my window AC here, which I think I'm gonna put up here in the corner. I got some slides. I figured to get it up high to you know, you want ACs up higher because that's where all the hot air is, right? So it makes sense. I'm cutting a hole out for the window air conditioner. I've got some slide locks that will have a shelf on it, and the window air conditioner will slide outside. And I put some hinges on the outside as I'm cutting to, you know, work as the hatch. It's going to be 2-tone. The top's going to be sap green by Bear, and the bottom, I can't remember what the color is called. I think it's like storm gray. And yeah, it's going to be a really nice 2-tone job. The air conditioner shelf has a hole in the middle to let the condensation drip through, and it's been flex sealed in black. The blue handles lock and unlock the track from coming out for the shelf, and the air conditioner will sit on it. And I'm going to have a hatch with a seal on it to seal off when it's in travel. The air conditioner will fit inside. This is the original sink that came with the camper. It's going to fit. The orientation is less than 13 inches, which will work. And I'm going to take and just remove it from the original countertop, and it's just held in by some wing nuts. And then we're going to cut out a spot in the butcher block for it. And I also got a 2-burner stove that I found on Facebook Marketplace for $10. And because the 3-burner that it came with is too deep, so I got a 2-burner that fits much better. It was less than 13 inches in orientation, so we're going to take and put that in there. Here is the air conditioner in the in position when it's travel, and then here it is when it's pushed out. So it's going to work out really well. I think I'm going to put some extra shelves to the right as well, but I'm kind of building this as I go. And of course, I'm going to, you know, put a piece of template to fill in the gaps on the sides so it's not wide open.